Do you find it hard to introduce yourself in English? If you do, you are at the right place. Today's topic of the video is how to introduce yourself in English in short yet creative way. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel and watch it till the end. Starting with the very first step is you have to be smiling. You have to keep on smiling. You cannot laugh or you cannot look nervous because the person standing in front of you is a person, not a robot. So you have to be smiling, not too excited, not too nervous. You have to be neutral. The next thing you have to remember is do not lie. Do not exaggerate. I do this, I do that, I've done this. No one's gonna come and verify the real you, but you have to be sincere with yourself. The next thing is making sure about your personality, your posture. Sit straight. You do not have to lean. Sona nahi hai. Or maybe if you're standing, you can stand straight. Make sure you have a positive attitude because you're telling about yourself. Have that happiness in you and the excitement in you. Now I'll be telling you what to speak and how to speak. Starting with the very first point is giving a short introduction about your life. You have to start with your name, your age, your education, your previous qualification, your present job role. Keep it short, simple, confidential also at the same time. You just have to give a practical view of your life that you have done this and you are doing this. This needs to be completed in 5 to 6 lines, not more than that, not less than that. The next thing you are going to tell is about your interests or your hobbies. You can tell what you do, what you like to do, or maybe what you do in your leisure time, your pastime. Many people exaggerate that I read books, I love reading, and when asked what they have read, they are silent. Do not do this. Whatever you list, make sure you do give an example of what all you have done regarding the same. The next thing you will be talking about is my favorite, goals. You will be talking about your goals in life, how you see yourself in future. If you are a student, you might be eager to study in future also. If you are a job person, you might be looking forward to change your job in other field. If you are an entrepreneur, you might be looking to expand your business. So you can just tell your goals in short. The last but not the least, this is the main thing, you will tell about your strength and your weakness. It is very important part. यहाँ पे आपको नहीं बोलना है मेरी strength family है, मेरी weakness मेरी girlfriend है, boyfriend है, partner है. No. You have to tell about your personality. For example, my strength is my ambitious nature or maybe my studious nature. My weakness is my emotionality, which makes me take wrong decisions in life. So this should be about your strength and your weakness. And now I will give you an example of myself of how to introduce in English in short and simple way. Greetings, I am Richa Sharma. I am 21 years old. I have acquired my Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology field. My previous experience was in customer service field as a customer representative. Currently, I am working as an English coach. I am founder of Oxford English Hub. Throughout my career, I have noticed that I am a people-oriented person. I like to engage with new people. I find myself as a cooperative, sincere, and persistent person in my professional life. I have a keen interest in reading or watching documentaries or articles on geography or cosmology. In future, I am looking forward to expand my business and reach out as many people as possible. My strength is my ambitious nature, which makes me constantly driven towards my goal. My weakness is my emotionality, sometimes which influences me to take wrong decisions in life. So this was a short introduction about myself. So here you will conclude this by saying this was a short introduction about yourself. Make sure you do not say, I hope you liked it. No one's gonna like your short introduction or no one's gonna hate. This is not about like or hate. You are describing yourself. This is your view. This is not others' view. So this is how you see yourself. So you will describe in your own words. And lastly, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. And also do let me know in the comment section below on what more content would you like to expect from me. Thank you and have a good day.